take a seat in the show. It's Gia Customs where the cool kids go. We got action figures and a dash of flair, custom paint jobs that'll make you stare. Toys on the table, colors in the air, 3D dreams printed with care. GI Customs, it's a wild ride, painting the past with the future by side.
Good morning, GI Customs here. Just a little update on the Medic Badger and how it's coming along here. Design, got the magnetic boxes, which is the first unlock. Got those all designed and on here really nice. So these are just test prints of these things, but wanted to show you. They are really nice. They click right on there, stay on there, aren't going anywhere. And then if you want to take them off, you can take them off, use them in your dioramas, anything like that. But they are really nice. There'll be one on each side, of course, but I just put this together just a few minutes ago. So wanted to show that off. Those things are going to be really cool. They do sit in just a little bit more than they did before. So once you get tires and stuff on here, they don't stick out like they did previously. And then you got them real easy, nice to take on and off. They still open. You get all your cool stuff you can put in there if you want to. They will have a logo on top as it shows in the pictures. So wanted to reach out and show everyone that. The next thing will be the trailer, hopefully, with the hitch and stuff that will go on the frame. So I'll be showing that off as soon as it's here. But don't forget to order your Medic Badger. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Got all kinds of cool things coming. Make sure you get these Medic Badgers. You only have, I think, under 2 weeks now, 13 days, 12 days, something like that. So not too long. Make sure you got them coming, and don't miss out this time around. Again, this is an exclusive. Once it's done, it's done. So yeah, I got that as an update, which is really cool. Got those going on.